Here we are, just cramming it all in. It's all gotta go. We've just arrived at camp. As you can see, me and my wife, we make an amazing team. We went ahead and set up our tent already, and now we're working on the air mattress. She's gonna go ahead and finish inflating that, and then she's gonna go ahead and get our sleeping arrangements set in the tent. And here in a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and set up our camp kitchen, and we're gonna get to cooking. Yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have our camp kitchen set up, stove is up, all of our various cooking surfaces. We're going to go ahead and start getting things prepped, and we'll see how it turns out. I don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry. Stick around. Right now my wife is cutting up the potatoes to make French fries. Earlier we were in the grocery store. My wife verbalized that we needed buns. We had already discussed that we were gonna do hamburgers, but for some reason she said hamburger bun. Somehow it translated to me as a hot dog bun. We're gonna have to improvise and do what we gotta do, because we're about 40 miles away from home, and yeah, we're not going back down the mountain just for some hamburger buns. Not happening. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get Coleman Classic 2-burner lit. Get our skillet nice and hot. Got some vegetable oil here. Get that in there. Excuse the noise, guys. There's a lot of families in this particular dispersed campground. You're gonna hear a lot of noise. Somebody's honking their horn, and people screaming and yelling and carrying on. This is a weekend where a lot of families are gonna be out. I encourage everybody to be out, so it's all good. So here we are, just sauteing some mushrooms and onions, and I'm finishing up the last of the burgers. There's my plate, guys. I'm finally about to enjoy a delicious bite of a hamburger dog. That's amazing. Go ahead and crawl into my tent here, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Just sitting down to enjoy a nice cup of coffee. We're up at 7 o'clock this morning. We're at about 7,600 feet in elevation. It's warm. It's really warm here. We're gonna be here for quite a while yet. We're in no rush, no particular rush to go home. Just do what we want. Thank you guys again for tagging along with us on this adventure. I hope it's been entertaining. Do consider going outside. As you can see, we have our shade tarp up. Now I don't have to worry about my wife burning in the sun. From here, we're gonna go ahead and get started on breakfast. So, sadly, I forgot to bring the huge bottle of seasoning that we went out of our way to buy yesterday. So we're gonna have our bacon on the fresh side, no seasoning. But that's okay, because the bacon brings its own flavor. And so does my cast iron. There you go.
Good job, Mom.
I did it!
So, if you noticed, I'm not the one that's cooking breakfast this morning. My wife is. She told me to fall way back on the cooking, so I'm falling back and I'm taking a break. But man, just look at her culinary camp skills, guys. This is awesome. Yum. So, she just made her first flip, guys, and just look at this pancake. It just looks so perfect. I just wanted to take this time out to commend this morning's voluntary camp chef. And this is going to be for our son, as he doesn't like veggies, per the usual. I was a kid once, I didn't like veggies either. This one is coming out excellent. Like, it's perfect. Good job. So my wife is finishing up the last omelet. This one's gonna be mine. It's a ginormous plate. He has 2 pancakes, a couple of strips of bacon, and his omelet. So here's my plate. It's all ready for consumption. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab me a fork and get to mowing down. Real fun fact about our Chi Terrier here. If she's in the house with us and she sees us grabbing camp gear, or if we even use the word camp, she just knows right away. And I think what it is for her is that not only does she associate it with good food, but also simple freedoms, like not being on a leash or confined to a backyard. Like, she loves it, absolutely loves it. And if you don't bring her, she'll raise hell. My wife just made us some subs here. Me and my son were getting the hook up. She's fixing his right now, but here's mine. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. Pack it in, pack it out, and we're out. Thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. And while you're at it, please consider subscribing. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.